As most people know, I sit here and brag about those Callaways because whether you're buying or selling your home, they're the ones that are going to take care of you, make life easier in this stressful time. So, of course, though, we always get Joe Coleman to tell us about a fun home. What do you have today?
We have a wonderful property. It's 10484 East Corrine Drive. It's in the beautiful and exclusive Scottsdale Foothills subdivision.
Oh, nice.
Just a wonderful area, minutes from everything. It's a great property with high ceilings, big rooms throughout. It's nearly 4,000 square feet, a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's got a great oversized 3-car garage, and then outside is really the must-see because you've got a 35,000 square foot lot, a perfectly placed pool and spa right in the middle of the yard, plenty of room on either side for all kinds of things, and then a long covered patio to take in all the mountain views. It's really just too much to mention here. It's a perfect property.
I was just going to say, people need to come see that one.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's going to go fast. There is so much that it's offering.
Oh, it is, and the location of it is fabulous. It's open today 1 to 4.
Okay.
It's going to be priced at $1,150,000, which for 4,000 square feet where it is a great price.
That
so
really
like
is.
you said, it's probably going to go fast, and we'd just love to have you out to the open.
And then, as we always say, even if they don't get this particular home or it's not the right fit for them, you can help them find that dream home.
Oh yeah, buying, selling, leasing throughout the valley, and our luxury circle team too sells estates all throughout the valley for our luxury clients. And so no matter the property type, no matter the real estate need, just give us a call.
Perfect. Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.